Let's make the Path 3 New Quizzes case study. Go ahead and open that up. You can assign a point value later. That's fine. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, click Build. This case study is a two-part case study and is built using a stimulus reading that will exist on the left-hand side, and then multiple choice questions that go along with that reading on the right-hand side for part 1 and for part 2. Gemini wrote the content for part 1 along with those 3 multiple choice questions and did the same thing for part 2. So let's go ahead and start to assemble this case study. There's part 1. This is going to be a matter of copying and pasting. Let's go ahead and grab the content, copy that. Some of these windows are small, so you can use this 2x4 dot grid to kind of increase the size of your workspace. We're just formatting. There we go. Okay, we are done with part 1 content. Let's start working on the 3 multiple choice questions. Now you have 1 multiple choice question as a placeholder here. We'll add 2 more. Gemini wrote those questions for us. Let's do this first one. Now it's a matter of cleaning up each of these questions here. Meet me back here in a moment and we'll go over the rest. All right, once we're done with that first question, we'll click Done, and then we can add another question here. Click Attach Question. We'll choose multiple choice and then continue the process. Finished with part 2 and the 3rd multiple choice question for that section of this case study. I'll make sure that I click on shuffle choices for each of those multiple choice questions. If I wanted to have AI write a part 3 and add another stimulus along with some more multiple choice questions, I can do that by clicking on this plus sign, and that's how I can add that stimulus right there. Once I've added my stimulus, I click Done, and I have the option to attach more questions to that. But for this one, I think that 2 parts is all we need. Once you're ready to go, click Return, and we're finished with Path 3, the New Quizzes case study.